Hey everyone, welcome back. In the previous episode, we talked about the story of money, how it evolved from ancient coins to digital currencies that shape our world today. But in 2025, it's not just about what money is, it's about how you use it. The world's moving fast, opportunities are everywhere, and the difference between staying stuck and building real wealth often comes down to small, smart decisions you make every day. So in this episode, we're breaking down 5 modern wealth hacks that anyone can start today. Simple, actionable steps that can change the way you earn, save, and grow your money this year. Let's get into it. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built through small, deliberate choices. The ones most people overlook. You don't need to be born rich or have a finance degree. You just need clarity, consistency, and the courage to start. Here are 5 modern wealth hacks you can begin right now. Simple, proven steps that actually move you forward. Let's start with something simple, but powerful. Before you can grow your money, you have to understand it. Most people have no idea where their cash actually goes. They just wake up one day and wonder why their account's empty. The truth is, you don't need to be an expert. You just need to track what you spend. Because what you measure, you can improve. For 1 week, write down every single expense, every coffee, every ride, every subscription you forgot about. Then sort them into 3 columns: needs, wants, and waste. Keep the needs, manage the wants, and cut out at least one thing from the waste column today. That single decision can save you hundreds over a year. When you know where your money goes, you stop guessing and start leading. Now that you understand where your money goes, let's talk about how to direct it. Most people try to save what's left after spending, but the truth is, you need to spend what's left after saving. A simple way to start is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for your needs, 30% for your wants, and 20% for investing or saving. And if that 20% feels impossible right now, start smaller. What matters is the habit, not the number. Once you've built that habit, take it a step further. Automate your investing. Set up a systematic investment plan, or SIP. An SIP invests a fixed amount every month, no matter what the market's doing. It removes emotion from the process. You don't have to guess, time, or stress. It's quiet, steady progress, the kind of growth most people overlook because it feels too simple. But here's the truth: simple works. Over time, the power of compounding turns those small deposits into something real. You earn returns not just on your money, but on the returns that money already made. Think of it like a seed. At first it looks small, almost insignificant. But if you keep watering it, it becomes a tree that gives shade for the rest of your life. That's how wealth grows, slowly, silently, but surely. And the best time to start that process was yesterday. The second best time is today. Every wealthy person has one thing in common: they don't rely on just one source of income. And in 2025, creating another stream has never been easier. You can offer freelance work online, turn a hobby into a digital product, or even start a YouTube channel or online course. You don't need to quit your job. You just need to start something small that earns while you sleep. Because that first dollar you make outside your salary isn't just money. It's proof that you can create value on your own. And that's the first real step toward financial independence. Ideas don't create freedom. Action does. It's not about finding the perfect plan. It's about getting started. Even a small skill, used consistently, can turn into something powerful. When you create instead of consume, you step out of the crowd. That's how real independence begins. Quietly, one project at a time. Wealth hack number 4, invest for the future. Fast money fades, but smart money lasts. Real wealth isn't built on luck, it's built on patience. The most powerful tool you have is time. Instead of chasing quick returns, invest in things that grow slowly but surely: index funds, long-term equities, or even your own skills. Every dollar you leave to compound quietly is a dollar that works harder than you do. So think long-term and let time become your business partner. Patience doesn't feel exciting, but it's what separates investors from speculators. The longer your money stays invested, the more it grows, not linearly, but exponentially. Compounding isn't magic, it's math. And the real secret is staying consistent when everyone else gives up. Over time, that quiet discipline becomes unstoppable momentum. Wealth hack number 5, protect and multiply your wealth. Making money is one thing, keeping it is another. True wealth isn't just about earning more, it's about protecting what you've built and letting it grow safely. That means understanding risk. Diversify your investments, keep an emergency fund, and never put money into something you don't understand. Remember, wealth grows in silence, but disappears in noise. So protect your peace, your focus, and your future. You don't need to move faster. You need to move wiser. The goal isn't to keep chasing more. It's to protect what you've already built and keep building slowly on it. Because steady growth isn't boring. It's powerful. It's how real wealth lasts. Keep adding, keep learning, and let time do what it does best. Multiply your efforts quietly in the background. In the end, peace of mind will always be the greatest return. All right, here's a final bonus hack before we wrap up. You can't control the market, but you can control your perspective. Everyone wants results now, this quarter, this month, today. But the truth is, wealth doesn't reward speed. It rewards consistency. A 1-year view brings stress. A 5-year view brings patience. And a 10-year view, that brings peace. Because when you zoom out, the noise disappears. And what's left is the trend, growth. 5 wealth hacks. 1 timeless rule. Patience pays. Track your money. Save before you spend. Build a new source of income, even if it starts small. Invest consistently and let compounding do its quiet work. Protect what you've built and trust time to multiply it. Do that, and wealth stops being a chase. It becomes a calm, steady rhythm. The kind that builds real freedom, one wise choice at a time. If this video gave you a new way to think about money, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Because wealth grows faster when wisdom is shared. And if you enjoyed this one, make sure you're subscribed. There's more to come right here on Capital View. I'm Jordan Ray, and I'll see you in the next video.